Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the Assistant Minister for Home Affairs and Immigration, Permanent Secretaries, Director of Immigration, distinguished guests, members of the press corps, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased this morning to announce a significant milestone for the Fiji Immigration Department. I'm sure most of us know that the Immigration Department contributes significantly to Fiji's economy and also to Fijian society. Amongst other services, the Fiji Immigration Department facilitates visas and permits for key sectors in Fiji's economy. In order for our private sector to be business ready, the department has re-engineered a number of its processes and visa and permit conditions. Strengthening immigration's contribution to Fiji's economic growth is priority number one for me as Minister. We need to attract the skills and investment Fiji needs by providing migration pathways to conduct business urgently, short, long-term, and by working with employers to identify, attract, and retain migrants with the skills that we need. This will involve a number of new initiatives, and we're here today to launch two of them. First, the 14 days business visa under Section 9(3) of the Immigration Act 2003. From 15th November 2023, business visitors holding passports of all 105 visa-exempt countries will be able to enter Fiji without prior application and to work in Fiji for up to 14 days. At present, this right is restricted to citizens of only 4 countries. And this is now being opened up to the 105 countries that I had referred to earlier. Fiji continues to lose available skills through permanent and temporary migration. As a result, Fiji business needs greater access of the skills of foreign nationals to ensure uninterrupted managerial, technical, and other support. This includes short visits by skilled foreign nationals. Generally, these do not exceed 14 days. For some years, this has been an unnecessarily complicated process. It delays the arrival of critically needed services and adds to the work of the Immigration Department. From 15th November 2023, there will be a simple scheme which follows the requirements of the Immigration Act. From 15th November 2023, citizens of all 105 visa-exempt countries who are entering Fiji for business purposes will receive business visitor permits on arrival, in accordance with Section 9(3) of the Immigration Act 2003. They are permitted to engage in business, investment, study, research, or consultancy work for up to 14 days. Those who need to extend time for these purposes will need to apply for short-term work permits as they do now. For clarity and continuing the existing policy, people visiting Fiji for meetings, conferences, exhibitions, workshops, or training are not regarded as business visitors and may do so on ordinary visa permits as they are doing now. This simple measure will eliminate the need for the Immigration Department to approve the short-term business travel needs of hundreds of visitors every year. It also ensures that the government is working in accordance with the Immigration Act. The department is working closely with experts and private sector stakeholders to make quick improvements in rules and services to speed up its operations. This is the first of a number of improvements to be announced, with more to be implemented in the coming months. I would like to share some comments on the new Fiji Immigration Department website, which I have just launched. The new website is a crucial part of Fiji's immigration and attraction marketing activity for investors, employers, and business entities. Its purpose is to attract people with the skills Fiji needs, ensure they are well informed of what's required, and make it easy to apply and interact with immigration officers. The revamped website being launched today is a major step forward. This is a total redevelopment of an entirely new platform and a completely new structure. The new site is meant to be a one-stop shop for information on all immigration services and provide links to forms and reference documents that assist with the lodgement of applications. The new website allows interaction with immigration officers to track or follow up applications when it's past the timeline. A dedicated communications officer will be assigned to provide updates to follow up inquiries only if it's after the timeline. Importantly, the site has been developed to include reporting of suspicious activity, including indicators of transnational crimes, human trafficking, exploitation, and any form of violation of foreign workers' rights. So it's a collaborative effort between the department and the community to ensure we keep Fiji safe and keep Fiji secure. And may I conclude by congratulating the Fiji Immigration Department on these two initiatives designed to support Fiji's businesses. The Pacific Immigration Development Committee, the PIDC, for the assistance and support to the Immigration Department for the new website. This really is a great demonstration of the role of the ministry can have in supporting businesses and helping Fiji succeed. Thank you very much. Navaleo.